Hi everybody, this is Rick with Living Coast to Coast. Today we're going to try to set up a garage door opener into the truck. It's not really a garage door opener, it's for a gate out at the ranch, at my son-in-law's ranch, family's ranch. Now we have 3 built-in buttons. If we want to clear them all, you just hold the, and this I guess is right for all Chevys, hold both outside ones for up to 20 seconds and the lights will start flashing and they're all cleared. If you need to just clear one because you want to reprogram it, you just have to hold it for 20 seconds until the light flashes and then you go into the programming mode. Now we're not going to do that because nothing's ever been programmed into here. But Chevy's made it easy the last few years. They say 1 to 3 inches, hold the remote up to this while you're holding the button that you want to use. And it should start flashing. It's flashing slow. It should start flashing fast. Okay, we're going to go check the gate now. Well, okay, so the remote works from here. The handheld remote. So let's see. Go. Let's test it. There we go. Test works. This is an old gate. You have to press it a couple times sometimes, even on the other remote. So, yay, it worked. Took a couple of tries for it to work, but this remote is very, very old. It doesn't always work 100% on its own anyway. So, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share, comment. Go ahead and give us a subscribe and notification bell so you can get notified next time we make one of these kind of videos or for our travel videos. And we'll see you later. Safe travels. Bye.